How to fix Facebook ads account disabled. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, search only for Facebook. Open it. When you find it guys, go to storage. Here on storage, what you should do, you have to go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what's next, go to this option here, set as a default, and make sure that this option import open supported links, it's allowed. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.